What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the set where I am your host, Money Matt. And today, bro, we're gonna dive into one of the cleanest, and I mean the cleanest shock drop that we've had in, man, I can't even remember. Today, bro, we talking about the Jordan 4 SB Navy. And it seems like everybody freaking hit on the SB4 Navies. Does that make this shoe less special? No, I think not. But let's get into it. Now, off the rip, simply put, man, this shoe is freaking beautiful. And we all know this, right? The colorway is simple, but super wearable, and the materials, bro, you already know, man. Nike really did their thing here. And I know I've been complaining about quality control, but the issues were there. But they really did their things on this one, but we'll talk about that in a second. Let's talk about what makes this collab even more special. All right, so we all know that this is just not another Jordan 4 colorway. This is a part of something bigger. And by bigger, I do mean the collab between Jordan Brand and Nike SB. It's still pretty new, but the roots run deep. Now, let me paint a picture for you. Back in the early 2000s, a lot of skaters were actually rocking Jordan 1s just because of the way they feel around the ankle support. So it was never anything official, but that was the skater shoe of choice. Now, skaters were just vibing Jordans just like they were officially a part of the SB crew, even before Nike SB fully took off. Now, fast forward to 2023, Nike SB and Jordan Brand officially dropped Jordan 4 SB Pine Green, and the internet went nuts. Sneakerhead community lost their literal shit over that shoe. That pair flipped the script on the basketball shoe redesigned for skateboarding performances. They had that in mind. Now, it had a softer foam, a more flexible forefoot on this shoe, and of course, the reinforced heel tabs. And you know, we got the boing boing on here. Pause. You know what I meant. This shoe was basically built for on the court and the skate park at the same time. And now we got the second official entry. I say official entry, the Jordan 4 SB Navy. Same skate tech upgrades, new colorway, same clean execution when you talk about a Jordan Brand and Nike shoe. Now, I said all of that. That was a lot, right? But let's get back to the navies, right? The materials on this shoe, folks, is freaking like, it's top notch. The suede is buttery smooth, no quality control issues. The white leather feels premium, and this gum outsole ties everything together. Now, you've got the SB branding on the back with the classic mesh upper, which is all too familiar in Jordan 4s, but it's tweaked enough just for that SB twist. Just perfect, bro. I know it sounds like I'm glazing, but I'm not, because a lot of people just really didn't think they were going to touch these. Me, for one, I was going to try, but we all know how it worked out, bro. Scratch and sniff, we out of here. Now, as far as comfort, it's a big dub for your boy. The Zoom Air in the forefoot makes a notable difference, especially if you're used to rocking regular Jordan 4s. Now, these are actually wearable all day for that reason. Whether you skating, hooping, or just like me, somebody walking around aimlessly because you unemployed, you good, bro. No stiff break-in needed on these. And not to mention, it's weird. I normally wear a size 12. I got a 13 because that's all they had left, and they feel amazing. So keep that in mind. But the bottom line is the Nike SB and Jordan Brand are 2 for 2 at this point. Maybe 3 for 3 if we get the reds. The pine greens brought the heat, number one. But these navies, bruh, I'm trying to tell you, these joints is just clean. They're great quality, they're super wearable, and it's a piece of sneaker history in the making. If you slept on them, and I shouldn't say slept on them, if you were unfortunate enough to not get them when they had to shock drop, then yeah, you might want to grab a pair before they go up because it's going to happen. Supposedly there's less than 4,000 left and they're going to do a Jordan Reserve. Nobody knows when that's going to happen. So if I were you, I would strike while the iron's hot because they're going slightly, I say maybe 100, 150 bucks above retail, maybe. So keep that in mind. We're going to get some on-feet action and we're going to put these things to the test, bro, and see exactly what they do. I tried on one just to see how the size 13 will fit in relation to the 12 that I normally buy. Because this pair here is a size 13 and I absolutely hate it. This is the reimagined Bred 4s and I absolutely hate the way the size 13 feels on this shoe. But this one, I knew that there was new tech and the fit and the cuts were different between these two, but I didn't really understand how much of a difference it would be. This 13 feels like a 12 and a half to me. And that's awesome because it's so hard to get a 12 and a half in any of these shoes. So yeah, but let's get these things on feet, man. Let me know down in the comments whether you hit or whether you just like, bro, that's some trash. Nobody even knew about it. We knew about it. We didn't know about it. I didn't get them. I scratched, didn't get nothing. That sounds kind of crazy, don't it? I scratched and didn't get nothing. Anyway, yeah, let's get these things on feet, man. Let me know down below what you think. Let's get it. Now, as I harken back to previous releases, I'm reminded of the industrial blues. Now, I was a little skeptical based on how when I got these, the colors were so off in these. And this is I hate them. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I hate them. But yeah, it's no comparison, bro. This shoe, yeah. And I know that's blasphemy. Why would you even consider that? Because this is the OG colorway. Yeah, as took a look at these and I revisited and I went back and look at these, I'm just like, bruh, why'd they even come out with these? They should, yeah. Anyway, I think that's a wrap on this review, man. Simply put, bruh, they stupid clean, dog. Like, these joints is clean as hell, bruh. And I really want you to let me know in the comment section, are you rocking with these SB4 navies? Do you think this collab should keep going, or is that going to decrease the mystique or the popularity of this shoe? I don't know, bruh. Let me know down in the comments, because again, I told you that the reds may be coming, but there is some rumblings too that this is the last collaboration between the two. Let me know down in the comments, bro. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are always the first to know when we drop more content here on the set. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with my life, as you should as well. I bid you folks adieu. I think art. Peace.